My name is Daisy Catalina Spinel. Good morning, tutor and colleagues. Environment engineering study. Today we will talk about the Coca-Cola company and the pollution engineering of the world by answering the following questions established in the guide. We then show the company the day for the routine exercise. Selects the Coca-Cola company because annual around 600 billion plastic bottles are produced in the world, and Coca-Cola responsible for a third of the world total with a production of more than billion bottles. Which is impossible to recycle. The level of production maintains beyond the fact the recycling technology consumes a lot of energy and is inefficient. Coca-Cola makes the world believe that it is a clean company. How can this company contribute the pollution in our world? Tens of million fragments of plastic of it that cover the planet come from a handful of multinational corporations. According to the Global Coalition of Environment Individuals and organization companies like Coca-Cola responsible of cleaning up such plastic waste. Plastic bottles are made from oil, instead of oil to production a single plastic bottle. Production not only represents an environment hazard, but waste disposal is also more that pollutes the ocean and produces greenhouse gases. What opinions and demands that you expressed in the formal letter that was sent to you? In the letter, it was proposed to require the Coca-Cola company to have a control or rules of the productions or where they are and properly managed. Since it is very sad that the company times it is simple consumption and the economy is of global interest, which are cause a lot the need of life and the modern here that resides at these productions that do not become of year. Or as measures are they to reduce the production, consumption, and final dispose of single-use plastics in the national territory where the transition rate is regulated. Progressive replace them with recycled biodegradable alternatives where degradation does not generate contaminations. And create finds they above says the fundamental rights to life, health, and enjoy a healthy environment. Studying well-produced and ecological solutions, though these company problem and specify how the possible impacts the environment. Eliminate the abandon of packaging and modify its correct recycling in implementing package return systems. Promote measures based on the circular economy which bet on the use of raw materials and new material with less environmental impact. The reduction in the consumption of plastic in the responsibility of everyone, both those who manufacture the products, those who consume, in that the administration that manages the waste. Thank you. Happy day.